In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ChatGPT from sharing your audio recordings. If you've been trying the voice features and want to limit how those recordings are used, this quick walkthrough will help you adjust your privacy settings in just a minute or two. Start by opening ChatGPT on your device. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile. Click your profile to open the account menu. From there, select Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of the controls that affect your account, your content, and your privacy. Inside Settings, choose Data Controls. This section focuses specifically on what information is collected and how it may be used to improve the service. You're looking for an option called Improve Model for Everyone. Click into that. This is the place where you can manage whether your interactions, including audio recordings from voice conversations, are used to help train and improve the models. Once you've opened Improve Model for Everyone, look for the voice options that appear within this area. You'll see a control that governs whether audio recordings from your voice conversations can be used to improve the model. Turn that option off. When this is off, ChatGPT won't use your audio recordings to help train or refine its systems. After you've toggled it off, give the page a moment to save your preference. You should see the switch stay in the off position. If you're switching devices later, it's a good idea to revisit this same screen to confirm the setting synced with your account. A few helpful notes as you do this. Changing this setting focuses specifically on how your audio recordings are used for model improvement. It doesn't remove voice features from your account, and you can continue using ChatGPT as usual. Also, the exact wording and layout can vary slightly depending on the app version or whether you're on desktop or mobile, but the path is the same. Profile in the bottom left, then Settings, then Data Controls, then Improve Model for Everyone, and finally the voice options inside that section. If you ever want to revisit this choice, you can come back here and adjust the toggle at any time. For now, that's all you need to do. By turning off the voice option under Improve Model for Everyone, you've stopped ChatGPT from using your audio recordings to train its models, giving you more control over how your voice data is handled.